Hey everyone, Michelle Alexandria here. I'm going to make this video really quick because I'm in handheld mode and I can't hold this iPhone for more than like 3 or 4 minutes anyway. So, why did I buy the Sony 950G? It's because I need therapy. I need real serious tech therapy. And that's a phrase coined by Brian over at Whisper Status. He has a great channel. You should go check him out. I'll try to leave a link to his channel in this video. But I don't know why I bought this TV. I really don't. I really like the Hisense. The Hisense is a good TV, but my number one issue with the Hisense is I don't think it handles HDR particularly well. It does everything else really well. It does standard 1080p perfectly. It does nice the upscaling is okay on the TV, but whenever HDR content is playing, I just feel like it's lacking something. And it's especially noticeable when I go back into my bedroom at night and I watch my OLED for a little while. And I know I say you shouldn't compare a $800 TV to a $3,000 TV, but I can't help it because it's in my bedroom. It's in my face every night. And I can see it. I can see the difference. And especially with the Wizard of Oz Blu-ray that I have. I've been trying to play it on this TV, and it's just not looking good at all. But when I go into my bedroom and watch it, it looks great. So what do I make of that? Not to mention the fact that all of these sales, Best Buy has kicked off basically their Black Friday sales this week, and everything is on sale at amazing rates. I mean, you can buy an LG OLED C9 65 inch for $2,000 now. Come on now, $2,000 for that TV. And normally I would have went straight for the LG C9, but I already had the B7, and the differences between the two TVs really aren't that big in terms of picture quality. In terms of future-proofing, the C9 is great, but it's not worth the $2,000 upgrade for the same picture quality. So I wanted to take a look at the Sony 950G simply because I've been seeing a lot of YouTube videos on it lately, like FadeToBlack. One of our channel members is actually looking at that TV and watching his videos. I've almost convinced myself that I want that TV. I at least want to take a look at it because it has a couple of features that I'm really interested in. I'm really interested in the A1 Ultimate Extreme processing chip. I mean, my Panasonic UHD player has shown me the power of the processing chip, so now I really want to see what Sony's processing chip can do. It also has IMAX Enhanced, which is another scam, but I want to check it out for myself and see what it's all about. And it has Netflix calibration mode, another feature that I want to check out. And it also has the 4-speaker dealio that's also on the Sony OLEDs that I've always wanted to check out. So for all of those reasons, and it was on sale for $1,400, I wanted to check out this TV. But if we're going to be completely honest, I think a 65-inch TV really is too big for me because I noticed the few times I've had a 65-inch TV in my home, it's made me sick. It makes me dizzy after a while. So maybe 55 inches is my sweet spot. So this Sony will be my last shot at a 65-inch TV. Otherwise, after that, if we're going to be completely honest, I'm probably going to end up returning the Sony in a couple of weeks and just sticking with my B7 because I immediately felt buyer's remorse right after I walked out of the store. But the TV's coming tomorrow and I can't cancel the order at this point. So I'm just going to sit there and play with it, see how it all goes. I'm going to give it a chance to wow me, make me want to keep it. But honestly, between you and me, I would probably end up returning it. Not because I think the TV is bad or anything. I'm hoping it's actually really good and it convinces me to keep it. But I just don't need it. As I said in a previous video, I don't need a new TV. But all of the stuff that I read up on the Sony 950G says it should be the TV for me. Other than the one area I really want to check out is the blooming, because everyone is complaining about the blooming. And other people say they don't have blooming. I'm starting to think that maybe in the first batch of TVs earlier this year it had blooming, but maybe they fixed the issue. But I want to check it out for myself and see if that's the case. So anyway, those videos will be coming in the next couple of days. So talk to you guys later. Bye.